Hello, welcome. Let's break this one down as question number 26 for Nigerian. Two consecutive odd integers are such that the sum of 5 times the smaller and 3 times the bigger integer is 222. We have to find the value of the smaller integer. This is a word problem. What are odd numbers? Those numbers that are not divisible by 2. We can start by on the top of our head. If you want to start from the smallest one, we can think of 1, and we can think of what, 3, how about 5, 7, 9, in that order. Now, if I mention 1, the next number automatically is, if I add 2 to 1, I get what? The 3. If I add 2 to this, I get this. So let's say I mention 21. This is far away from the 9. 21 is an odd number. It's not divisible by what? 2 without the remainder. So the next number consecutive, meaning following that, is going to be 23, 25, 27. You can see that they are all having an addition of what? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So in this case, if you are asked to name one odd number, you might be thinking about what? 5. I will be thinking about 25. Some will think about what? 100 and what? 11. So if we are asked to mention the next number after that, then we need to add 2. So at this point, all of us don't know what the odd number is. So what do? We let x be the first number. Let me just say number to conserve space. If x is the first odd number, which mine is 25 and yours is what? 5. We need to have the same answer because we are all answering the same question. So if x is the same, the first number, then the second number is what? X plus what? 2. As in, if you mention 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. That's your next number, consecutive, following. So now this is what we can have all of us to be able to get the same number of first number and second number. This is what we are all going to pick. The x time in for that number we are all going to be thinking about. Now, they are saying that the sum, which is addition of the two numbers, but 5 times the first number. Remember, 5 times the first number, the sum we are adding, right? The sum of 5 times the first number and 3 times the second number. Remember, first number is the smallest one. The second number is the bigger one. That's why I'm using first and second. All right, so this is going to be 3 times the second number, which is x plus what? 2. The result is what? 222. That is the equation we can generate from that. So here we can easily expand the second bracket. So 5x, 3 times x, 3 times 2 equals to 2. I can see right here that I can add the 2x and the 3x, giving me 8x. So I have my 8x, 2 minus now what? 6. So 8x equals to, if you take away 2 from here, we have what? 220, remaining 4. So we have what? 216. So we divide both sides by 8. So x will be equals to, we have 18 from there, no, 16. That's 2 times. Remaining 5, so we have what? 27 in there. Let's see, our option is going to be C. So 27 is the first odd number we are thinking about here. The second number will be what? 29. So that 5 times 27 plus 3 times 29, if you add, you get 222. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.